If I walk through this thing, their device would detect me, and on their computerized device would show exactly where I was. And the way it worked was by using wireless technology. So they had transmitters on one side of the hall, they had receivers on the other side of the hall, and they had me interfering with the radio transmission in the middle, and they were able to detect the interference and track me as I moved down the hall. So that's the order. Let me read to you what the certificate says. Subject, Hagee Prize. And this is to Midge Tolby, Mr. Smith, and Mr. Jeter. You and the electrical engineering senior design project on which you both labored so diligently have been selected to receive the Hagee Prize for the 2009-2010 academic year. With your creativity and tenacious determination in designing and constructing your project, the IED wireless sensor. Everybody probably knows IED is improvised explosive device. So they were designing an IED, more about that. You confronted a problem that concerns every member of the United States Marine Corps. In the spirit of General Michael Hagee, you took a significant step in developing a solution to the kinds of challenges that are inherent in applying modern electronic technology to the solution of a real-world problem. In the process, you demonstrated the ability to employ a microprocessor for the control of an inexpensive but highly capable offensive weapons system. You also developed a novel and creative idea using wireless transmitters and receivers to detect the presence of passing vehicles and report their presence to a processor responsible for launching an attack on them. Your initiative in obtaining parts and using available tools and instruments for this project, along with your diligence in completing the design, constructing the system, testing its performance, and documenting your work were exemplary and are clear indications that you will both be outstanding electrical engineers. Congratulations and best wishes for continued success as you launch your new careers as commissioned naval officers. I mentioned that I would say a little more about IEDs because those of you who are aware of them know that they're one of the biggest threats against our service people serving overseas right now. And you might be wondering why would we want midshipmen involved in a design effort like that, which is a good question. You know, IEDs are essentially mines. Usually they're detonated by remote control or maybe by robotic control. I want to hasten to say that these guys did not have any explosive ordnance in their equipment. It was strictly an electrical engineering and computer engineering project. But the reason we do this is because there is an organization that was set up a few years ago. It's called the Joint IED Defeat Organization. That's too long. Also, we call that JIDO for short. And JIDO's job is to try and defend our people against IEDs. So for several years, they have provided funds to all three service academies, the Naval Academy, the Military Academy at West Point, and the Air Force Academy in, I guess it's Colorado Springs, somewhere up in Colorado. And I have plenty of jokes with the Air Force one more time. Anyway, they've been funding our midshipmen's students' projects to attempt to come up with novel ideas for IEDs so that if you think of something that hasn't already been thought of, the JIDO folks can develop a defense against it. The thought being that they're young enough and not sufficiently constrained by thinking they know everything that they can invent new things. Whereas folks who've been doing it for years might not be imaginative enough to come up with a new plan. So that's why they worked on a project that might first blush sound pretty grim. Secondly, thirdly, fourthly, I've lost track, but here are the two tangible results of your effort, and these are multimeters. They know what they are. If you have not heard of them, they're used for measuring electrical quantities. one last little aside. When they gave their presentation 2 or 3 weeks ago in Rickover Hall, I turned to them both at once and I said, "Why didn't you work that hard when you were in my class?"